here. Sunlight is so pretty. Look at it. Look at that girl. Yeah, going this way. That's a good way. Come on, baby. Come on, sweetheart. Cross. Come, baby. The car is driving down real fast. Look where you're going. Thank you. Give me flowers. You give me flowers? You not give me again? Thank you, Jaden. Jaden, give me flowers. These flowers. So cute. Really cute. I want to take a picture with this. So much strong breeze. a dog park, a dog park.
Yeah, dog park.
Yeah,
Dog
over
park.
there.
Dog park. Dog park. Dog park.
Dog park. And then that's a kids playground over there. Want to go see the playground?
Yeah, there's kids over there playing. Looks like there's a bunch of kids over there playing.
Go, go, go. Go to the park.
Look at that cute dog.
Hopping babies.
Hey, yo, there's a monkey on the playground.
There's a what?
Monkey on the playground.
A monkey. Where do you get monkey over
No,
here?
it's over here.
There's no monkey here.
I saw it crying.
Get in the car, baby.
I thought we was going to see the playground.
Come on, Jaden.
Mom, I thought we was going to see the playground.
Go, go, go. Tomorrow we go to the playground. When it's earlier. It's getting a little bit late now. The playground gonna be closed soon. The beach is really rough. It's really great for surfing. There's a lot of surfers over there, but most of them already gone. So we're gonna come back one day when we can see the surfers and watch them. So what I say, kids, you ready? Let's start up this car.
Didn't they clean his hand by
Did you clean your hands? Is your hand sanitizer here?
No.
You know you gotta wash your hands first, boy.
Mama? Why every time
Even though I have a camera, back camera that I can look through, I just still feel comfortable looking behind me. Make sure I'm clear.
Mama? Why does every time we move and we go in a house, I get sicker?
I don't know, baby.
Me too. Me too, Mom. Mom, I feel because you didn't give me my medicine.
Who don't have their seatbelt on? Put your seatbelt on.
You didn't give me my medicine for because when I cough. I won't
Yeah.
cough.
So there's actually a staircase from here to go down, but
Yeah.
oh, it was right there, but the water came on and drive us away. All right, boys, when I get home, you're gonna get a shower, you're gonna eat your lunch, your dinner, and then you're gonna clean up, brush your teeth, and go to bed. I got school in the morning. What do you be by now, Mom?
It's only 9:24. Okay, why do you have to say that
At home.
Going to bed at night?
Some nice houses up here, guys. Really nice houses.
I'm starving. Can I go home?
Slow children at play.
Why does this look better than the neighborhood we're at?
It's beautiful up here, and they're living right on the ocean front. They're living the life. They are living the Hawaii life.
I wonder who has these
Up
from.
here is really beautiful. Look at that one. That one have a balcony. These houses actually have balconies.
Oh,
You
these are
see?
these are the officer houses.
Oh,
Yeah, these are
maybe.
high-ranking officers' housing.
Oh, okay.
Like,
So this is a wraparound. These houses are nice. They are super duper 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 nice. All these houses have a balcony.
like major.
And they sit right on the water. Right on the ocean front. Ooh, I wish I had gotten one of these houses. This one look kind of, no, occupied. But they get all that house for themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, this seems like just one person living it. Just a one person house. These look like 5-bedroom houses. 4 or 5-bedroom houses. Is that what they look like? They look amazing. So we're touring a little bit of our neighborhood, but this is further up from where our house is.
Wait.
Everybody here, they're friendly. It's a friendly neighborhood. Very friendly neighborhood. It's really nice. The houses here are beautiful. It is parked here. And park your vehicle and walk down. Okay, next time I know and the parking lot is full, I can come here and park.
But me today didn't come with you.
There's more houses on top of the hill. Do you guys want us to go up there or we just go home? Yeah, I need to go home. I need some gas in my car. I'm actually on 1 bar and you coughing, so I gotta go get you some medicine. Alright, I'm on 1 bar. I can't go nowhere until I put gas in my car. Because I literally run out of gas.
Hey, Mom, these are senior enlisted. Why do they, no, these aren't.
Look how beautiful this view is, guys. Oh goodness, this is something that, you know, if you don't have this already, this is something that I know you'll really want. It's just so amazing.
Mom, I forgot how me today getting sick is because we keep on.
You keep on putting your hands in your face and you're not washing your hands as often as enough. You're eating with dirty hands and all those things. And you're going to school. You go to school and there's a lot of germs at school. So that's something that you guys should know.
Also, I didn't get my medicine.
Tomorrow morning I'll give you some medicine.
No, I think I need to go to the doctor's.
No? You just need some medicine. I have your pump. I can
You
give
just
you
want to
that
go
later.
to the doctor, and then you're gonna have to ask them for noodle or something, and then he's gonna stay home, and I'm gonna be at school. Bro, I'm sick. What do you expect? Yeah, but you're not gonna pick me up. So what? Just tell your teacher. So what? Just tell your teacher that I'm sick. Keep on coughing like. Like, wait. You should get medicine. And every second you keep on coughing like. or sick. You don't have to be mean about it. You don't have to be annoying about it.
Check the mailbox. Check the mailbox. Come here, come please.
Do you want to check it? Yeah. Which key is it? Mama, are you sure you can't check me out as a doctor? And Will is Dad?